Next down, we're going to cover troubleshooting by symptom. As you see, this has the world icon. Just means that it requires internet to work. So once I click on troubleshooting by symptom, it gives me symptoms. So let's go with engine knocking. That's what the symptom is, so I highlighted that line, and then the check mark moves me forward. What this is meant to do is give you a trouble steps. So step 1, it walks you through things to check to diagnose what's going on with this engine. So it's step by step through the whole process. So we'll back out, and then as you see, there's a lot of different symptoms in here that will give you a trouble tree to walk through.